Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I want to introduce to you online class of Chandganansi Model High School, Chandga. I am Hassan Muhammad Junayed, Senior Teacher, Chandganansi Model High School. Dear student, we are today discussing English first paper class 9 and 10. What do you see in the picture? Describe it. There is the ষাট গম্বুজ mosque. It is one of the historical place of Bangladesh. It is also one of the World Heritage. Today our topic is the ষাট গম্বুজ mosque. Unit 8, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes of the lesson. After this lesson, the students will be able to talk about a picture, listen for a specific information, read and understand the text through silent reading, write about a place, infer the meaning from the text. First read the question, then read to the text about ষাট গম্বুজ mosque and choose the best answer. How many World Heritage sites are there in Bangladesh? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Where is the ষাট গম্বুজ mosque situated in? A. Center of Bagerhat, B. Out of Bagerhat, C. Suburb of Bagerhat, D. Center of Khulna. 3. Which have worn away with the passage of time? A. Pillars, B. Domes, C. Doors, D. Roof. 4. When Khan Jahan Ali established this mosque? A. Before 1405, B. After 1405, before, C. Before 1459, D. After 1500. Have a look outside the mosque. 4 corners have 4 smaller domes, 77 low height domes, 11 arched doorways on east, 7 arched doorways each on north and south. What do you see inside the mosque? The interior western wall of the mosque is beautifully decorated with terracotta, new words, mangrove, a tree or shrub that grows in wet mud at the edge of river. Sundarban is a mangrove forest. Outskirts, the outer parts of a town or city. The Buriganga River is at the outskirts of Dhaka city. Worthy of attention. Remarkable mean worthy of attention. The garden is very remarkable for its various colorful flowers. Aisle, meaning path or corridor. We can see 5 aisles in the picture. Cylinder, tin, a tall pillar made of stone. Few cylinder columns of the destroyed building are still standing. hollow, meaning empty space inside. There is a hollow in the basket. Now read the text in the book and write the answer of the following questions. Why is the Shat Gambuz Mosque a World Heritage? 2. How are the decorations of the mosque? Why were there many doorways in the mosque? 4. For what purpose was the mosque used? Read the text again and fill the table. Who or what event or activities, when or why the Shat Gambuz Mosque became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Khan Ali built a network of roads, bridges, public buildings and reservoirs to feed the city to live in. The mosque is unique for 60 pillars that supports the roof with 77 high domes. It attracts the tourist for its artificial beauties. Group work. Look at the picture of the Star Mosque in Dhaka. Mosque in Dhaka. Write a description on the Star Mosque with the help of the given clues. See the clues in the text book. There are 2 pictures in the picture. Homework. Do your area has such building like the Shat Gambuz Mosque or the Star Mosque? Write about that building, not more than 15 lines. Thank you all. See you again the next class.